Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you to do 3D pictures on your iPhone. Alright, so this works for the iPhone 17 and other devices as well, so you can actually check it out for your device. Alright, so this is a iPhone 17 Pro Max, and of course let me show you the 3D feature. So for example, I'll show you how to get the 3D feature in terms of, if you look on your lock screen here, you'll notice that this photo has a 3D effect. And of course, it's not as pronounced, but I'll show you in a minute here. Let me go ahead and unlock. All right, now that I've unlocked, guys, let me show you a photo with 3D effect and how to activate it. All right, so you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna go to your photos. Now, of course, this could be a photo that you have taken, or of course, it could just be a normal photo. It doesn't really matter. Of course, it works on wallpapers. It works best if you have a foreground and, of course, background images, meaning, of course, any feature that shows depth. Now, look at this photo here. This is normal. All right, so it's a normal photo. You're going to look out as soon as you open that photo, as I have here. You're going to look out for this particular icon here. All right, so once you find that icon, go ahead and tap it. All right, so once you do that, what's going to happen is that it's going to add a 3D effect. So as you can see here. All right, so you can see that the palm trees and the plane stands out from the background. And you have this beautiful 3D effect. And of course, this applies to the iPhone. And of course, it's the iPhone 17. All right, so once you go to your galleries and tap on the photos, you'll see the effect. All right, you can close it out with the X. And I'll show you another photo. All right, it works on this one as well. Here's the icon. It doesn't work on every photo. Let me go ahead and do it. And there you go. You can see the peak standing out and a 3D effect. And it's more pronounced on some photos. As soon as you add the effect, you don't have to actually do it on every photo. You can actually swipe to the right or to the left and it will continue to do it. So for example, if I move over, this is another one here. And the effect is on this one already. And you can see it here. All right, close that one. Here's a photo that it wouldn't work on. So of course there's no option for it here, meaning it doesn't work on this particular photo. Here's my current wallpaper. And if I tap it here, there you go. You can see the paint standing off the background and you get that 3D effect. All right, this is one of my own personal photos and check it out guys. If I do it here, there you go. And you can see the dinosaur stands out from the background with that beautiful 3D effect. All right, to add it to a wallpaper, go ahead and once the wallpaper is on, you're going to customize the wallpaper. I'm going to long press on unlock. And once you're here, which is the customization screen, you're going to hit customize. And there it is, the option right there to add the 3D effect. So if I tap, you'll notice the photo then gets the 3D effect. And you can hit done. All right, so make sure it's on by tapping that button if it's not on, and it will give you the effect. When the effect is off for a photo, you'll see it crossed out. So just earlier, I actually turned it off since it was on. So if it was on from before, it will turn it off. So you notice it's crossed out, meaning it's off. So make sure it's on, so you can double check. There, now it's on, I should say. So now it's really on. All right, so you can see it moving. If you press it again, it will turn it off. That's the strike through. So make sure it's not striking through. So as I had it on already, so by doing it a second time, it only turned it off. So it's off now. If I tap it now, I can see the 3D effect and it's on for the wallpaper. And you simply hit done. Save it. There you go. All right. All right, so that shows you how to do it on your iPhone 17. So see you in the next one, guys. And hope you enjoy this tutorial. Bye.